Did you know there's a holiday to celebrate all the different critters and creatures we love? It's National Wildlife Day. Wild animals are animals that live outside in their natural habitats. That means that they can be found in forests, oceans, deserts, outside, and all around us. There are all sorts of wild animals that I love. Some of my favorites are foxes, turtles, and eagles. In order to keep these wild animals safe, it's important to help protect their homes. While we're out in nature, at a park, camping, or even just walking around, it's important to treat nature with respect and care, like being gentle with your surroundings and picking up after yourself. You can also help plant trees and other native plants to create more of the homes our wild animal friends need and love. Happy Wildlife Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.